Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic data structures. Data structures organize and store data in a computer for efficient access and use. Common basic data structures are arrays, fixed-size collection of elements linked by pointers, stacks, last in, first out, queues, first in, first out, and dictionaries, key-value pairs. For example, an array can store a list of student grades, a linked list can manage a playlist, a stack can handle a history of web pages, a queue can process print jobs, and a dictionary can store employee information like name and ID. Arrays in computer programming are a way to store and organize multiple values in a single variable. In Python, arrays are created using square brackets. For example, arrays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 creates an array named array with 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Arrays in Python can hold elements of different data types like integers, strings, or even other arrays. The elements in an array can be accessed using their index starting from 0. Arrays provide efficient ways to store and manipulate collections of data in programs. In Python, linked lists are implemented using classes where each node has a value and a reference to the next node. For instance, consider a node class with attributes value and next. Nodes can be connected to form a linked list. In the given example, Node 1 and Node 2 are instances of the node class with values 1 and 2 respectively. The next attribute of Node 1 is then assigned to Node 2, forming a linked list where Node 1 points to Node 2. This demonstrates the basic concept of linked lists in Python. Two common data structures, stacks and queues, operate based on distinct principles. Stacks adhere to the last in, first out, LIFO principle, while queues follow the first in, first out, FIFO rule. In the Python programming language, stacks are typically implemented using lists. For instance, to push an item onto a stack, you can use the append function, and to pop an item off the stack, use the pop function. A practical example of this would be managing a history of web pages in a browser where the most recently visited page is at the top of the stack and gets popped when navigating backward. Conversely, queues are commonly implemented using the collections.dkey module in Python. To enqueue an item into a queue, you utilize the append function, and to dequeue an item from the front of the queue, the pop-left function is employed. An illustrative scenario could be a printer queue, where documents are printed in the order they were added, simulating a FIFO behavior. Understanding the distinctions and implementation methods of stacks and queues is fundamental for developing efficient algorithms and managing data in various applications. Dictionaries in Python are utilized for storing key-value pairs within curly braces. This allows for efficient data retrieval using keys. For instance, a dictionary can store a menu with food items as keys and their corresponding prices as values. This enables quick lookup of prices when a specific food item is selected. Through the dictionary data structure, Python facilitates easy organization and retrieval of associated data elements. Think of a basic data structure as a filing cabinet in an office. The cabinet has drawers that can hold different types of files, data. Each drawer is labeled and organized in a specific way for easy retrieval. If you wanted to store employee information, you could create drawers for names, ages, and positions. Similarly, in a program, you can use data structures like arrays, lists, or dictionaries to organize and store different types of data. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet demonstrates the usage of lists in R to store and display employee information. When an empty list employee info is created to store employee details such as name, age, and position. 2. Employee details, names, ages, and positions are added to the list using the $operator. 3. The stored information is then displayed using a for loop that iterates through each employee's data in the list. 4. For each employee, the code prints their name, age, and position. Real-world example. This code can be applied in a company's HR department to maintain a database of employee information. facilitating easy access to and display of employee details for various administrative purposes. One real-world application of data structures like lists can be seen in inventory management systems for e-commerce businesses. A list can be used to store product details such as name, price, quantity, and category, allowing for easy retrieval and manipulation of inventory data. Another example can be found in network routing algorithms used in telecommunications. Data structures like graphs are employed to represent network nodes and connections, facilitating efficient data transmission and routing decisions. From across the globe, data structures play a crucial role in various industries, enabling efficient data organization and management. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.